Hi, John Keel here with part 11 of the Wildfire video training series, and we're going to continue last week's conversation where I'll show you some real-life examples of website SEO and on-page optimization. Now I'm going to start with the existing, or what we should say old, design for, in this case, this example, Health Source of Burleson. Now you do understand, and I'll show you an example of this in just a second, with the new clinic website design that will be up and about by SuperCamp 2013. But this will give you a fairly good example. The most important non-visible SEO optimization thing you can have is what's called your title tag. I talked briefly about that last week, and you can see your title tag. And in this case, I've got Foxfire open. If you just click up here, just real gently over the Burleson, you can see where it says Burleson, Texas, Chiropractic Care, a chiropractor who can help you. This is the first actually text that the Google Spider sees. And I'll show you how we put that together. For those of you that are interested in the detail, this is the actual HTML code. We've gone in and we're working with the designers, the actual website designers, to give them this code. And you can see right up at the top of the page where it says title. And then it says Burleson, Texas, Chiropractic Care, a chiropractor who can help you. That's the title tag, and that is critical in terms of your SEO, the SEO of your site. Some of you may have also heard of something called the meta description tag. Well, here that is. We create these, and let me just get this all over. I'll kind of move over so you can see that. You can see Chiropractic Care in Burleson, Texas, from a proven chiropractor, blah, blah, blah. And we even have the phone number included there. Pretty slick, isn't it? And what we will be doing for the new site, actually we've done this for each of the existing Health Source Clinic websites. One of the limitations of the existing design is this material or this information really can't be used that well in terms of Google being able to see it. Although that is that is definitely being handled with the new design. Now here we show the new design for Health Source of Burleson. And when I say new design, this is like 95% complete. Steve Williams of HS Works and I were in California with all the RDs and Brian and Chris at the recent CalJam meeting and reviewed all this with them. There's just some minor tweaks that are going to be completed, but I want you to see this. This is the new clinic design. You may have been exposed to this already, but a couple things I want to point out to you. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And you remember that last week I talked about one of the other key optimization on-page factors is what's called your NAP, your business name, address, and phone number. And you can see this is very visible here at the upper right. And actually, we're going to be adding this to the bottom of every page on the site. And when I say every page on the site, this is not just some simple little website, because this is another screenshot as you get into the About Us page, and you can see that as we move down on the left, all these additional pages, I don't know if you can see that very clearly with the orange. My guess is that there are probably going to be 60 or 70 individual web pages for Wildfire clients, Wildfire members, each with, listen to this, each with its own title tags, meta description tags, and other SEO parameters, so that being found, whereas with the old design was really, really difficult from an organic search engine positioning standpoint, this is going to be really, really slick in terms of getting us a lot of content out there, all properly optimized. And as I also mentioned last week, relative to images with what we call image alt tags, I'm not going to say each image, but we'll have several images on each page that, again, is fully optimized with the new design, along with the so-called schema and the KML file. And I've jumped back to the HTML coding because I just wanted to show you this, that this Google site verification is what's called the Google Webmaster Tool that is going to be present for each individual Health Source Clinic website that's in the Wildfire program. In addition to, you can see right here, we've got the code for the Google Analytics. So very, very slick. I think you'll enjoy it.